term mobilities design is broadly used in the design industry as a way of streamlining the flow of people traversing through urban areas. In this digital age, many tools for visualizing flow and effects of design changes are already well established, but none of them in VR. Since VR is finding its way into many different industries, we saw an opportunity to expose urban designers to this tool. We wanted to bring them into their own creation so they can experience the design from a first-person perspective. To test this concept, a collaboration with Metroselskabet was formed. They are in charge of managing all the metro stations in Copenhagen, Denmark. Currently, they face a problem with overcrowded metro stations, and because many people have to stop and validate their Rejsekort, they have to consider the placement of these validators. We believed that we could help them by creating a simulation using virtual reality that could visualize how people move through one of their stations. For this, we created artificial people, agents, using artificial intelligence techniques. They attempt to behave like actual metro passengers according to field observations. To simulate a functioning station, we created a virtual environment based on Nørreport metro station, the busiest station in Copenhagen. We made this based on original blueprints and reference photos we gathered from the actual station. Data from Metroselskabet also helped us define how many agents to simulate. Take a look at these agents. They are queuing to check in, but if there's too many in queue at once, they'll just move on and try another validator. To model agent behavior, we use behavior trees. Their main trait is that they're easy to extend, easy to read, and make the agents very reactive to sudden changes in their environment. We used and extended a third-party Unity package, originally created by the Kiwi coder. The agents navigate in the virtual environment using Unity's native navmesh system. To interact with the application, we made a smartwatch user interface to give the users more possibilities on what they could do in the virtual environment. Look at this user opening the menu to place validators. As for our evaluation, we had the experts at Metroselskabet experience this in virtual reality, and in summary, they said that apart from some interaction problems that needed to be addressed, they were very impressed with the prototype so far and had tons of ideas on how to use it. They said the environment resembled very closely the real station. Other results from the expert evaluation suggested that they felt present in the environment, but some of them did not like having agents too close to them, but ultimately showed a positive attitude towards the application. The road to making this tool available for customizable use cases is long, but we believe it's doable.